Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 on AI Tools Navaratri Special. On this day, we will explore the various capacities or capabilities of Canva, an amazing tool. The designers, the educators will love the possibilities that the Canva provides. Let's go ahead with one by one options. A couple of options will be explored, and it's very vast, and there are hundreds of possibilities that can be explored by all of you. Let's go with the first option. Let's see how to. This is the home page, and okay, a couple of disclaimers. This is the home page, and we are using the pro version because the basic version, the free version, doesn't have much features. So this is a pro version, which is not very expensive. You can visit the website and get to know about the subscription. Now, once you log in and you follow the usual procedure and come back to this home page, we are actually on the home. Now, you can the first option which I'm going to explore is create. So, create, you say for you, there are so many options here. It can translate, it can have brand kit, it can plan your content, and so many other things. We will explore something called as Magic Rate, which is a very famous feature provided by Canva. So what we can do is it says actually describe your writing task 5+ words, because we need to provide the context to it so that it can generate the content. So I will take a context which is a case study. See, write detailed 1000 to 1200 case study, title this. Now I'm gonna give a different title. I'm going to give you the title as role of Gen AI in engineering education. And I'll also give some prompt to it, structure the case study with clear sections separated by clearly formatted headers. So that means I want a document with these headers. So clicking on generate, you'll be amazed to see it will also give you a nice background, and the content will be appropriately placed on the document. Let's wait till the entire document gets generated. So once it is generated, you just have to press this insert button. Document is here. Of course, this is not very well formatted. You can use all these features like you have used in the Word. So such features you can use and format it. Only one caution is, please read it before you share it with anybody, because the Canva itself says that it is AI generated content. So there can be some mistakes. So it is the responsibility of the creator to make sure whatever content that is created is legitimate. Okay, this is called magic, right? So the magic happened. Yes. Let's go to homepage. Uh, let's see what else this can generate. So now there is a feature called Canva AI. This is an amazing feature. If you press on Canva AI, so then you can say what do you want to design, a presentation, poster, or anything, or if you want to create an image. I know most of the LLMs creates an image, but let us see how differently the what you call this Canva creates the image. So let's create an image with this prompt. Okay, so abstract visualization of cybersecurity, shield, lock, binary code streams, glowing neon, digital effect. Now, the style you can choose here, which style you want. There are so many styles, and you also have the sizes, that is, portrait, or you have 916, 16:9, 1:1, because some of the Instagram, they actually have the square resolution. Like this, there are so many such resolutions. You can choose them. So I will choose 9:16. Let us see what the Canva generates. So look at this. Now Canva generated these four images with neon effect. This represent the cybersecurity. Yeah. So you can actually, another beauty is you can also edit if you really like, if you want to change the colors and do things. That's normal addition, editing operation that you can do. So you can do so many things, background remover, or if you're not happy with this red color, if you want, okay, today is yellow day, so I'll put yellow. Yeah, the color changed to yellow. And once it is done, you can also download it with multiple options. You can download it PNG, you can download as PDF, PDF print, SVG format, JPEG. There are so many. You can make a video also, GIF. You can download it as a PPT also. So there are so many such options. This is all about create an image. So now let's go back to our homepage. Now we will ask Canva AI to draft a document. Yeah. So let's see. We'll create a document. So this option is like, we will say, write a professional workshop handout on how to use AI tools in research writing. And I'm also giving, including learning objectives, step by step guidelines, and FAQ section. So let us see how it generates. So there is also type here. You want to make it as a blog post, or you want to make it as a summary, or social post, or description article. Let's go with article, and let's ask Canva to do the needful. Okay. The document is ready. So check this now. You have whatever you wanted, almost everything is mentioned, right? So again, please, it is the responsibility of the creator, um, to go through the contents and then share it with anybody. And another beauty is you can also edit it using Canva editor. If you really want to edit, you can edit it. Like as I told you, you can change the font, and you can change the font size, color. You can make it bold, italics, underline. There are so many such options. Such beautiful document is created. So let's go to the next option. See, I think Canva AI, Canva AI, we will create a code now. This is something which is amazing. So the code for me, right? So most of the time when we teach a particular concept, uh, we want some interactive application, right? So now today we will create an interactive application web app for demonstrating the working of stack operations. This is in data structures. Let us see how does it create. It will take some time. Please bear with us. The code AI or code for me option, what does this do? Is this will give you the HTML code also, which you can download and you can modify. Otherwise, it just directly gives you what you call the web application, wherein you can perform some interactive operations like push pop operations in this case, and show it to students so that students will get a visual idea about, okay, there is something wrong. Uh, Try asking again. So let us see whether these things keep happening. So let us see. One more time, we will try. So this must work. Yeah, so they started working. Sorry for that. Okay, so see, this is creating the code for you. It is coding for you. In thousands of lines it writes, and in no time, which a human might require 4 to 5 days minimum with a team of 4 or 5 to create the interactive web app. You'll be amazed to see the final web app that is designed by the Canva. Just wait for it. So here, since it is a stack, we have push pop operations, and inserting an element is called push, and deleting an element from the top of the stack is called pop. Let's see. No, let's see how it works. Now, let's say I want to insert a value called 44. I say push. See, look at this now. The value is pushed here. I would say 77 push. I would say 88 push. I would say 99 push. So if I really want to pop now, so this says, the pop will always remove the element from the top of the stack. So 99 must be pop. So I popped it. So see, that just beautifully it shows. Now size is 3 and top element is now 88. Once I remove this 88 also, now you will have still two elements in the stack, 77 and 44. And we can remove one more. It says, is it empty? Now this will be turned to yes when I remove the last element. Yes, this is very interactive. So you can use this feature if you really want to demonstrate. This is not only for data structure. So any most of the time any interactive application if you want to do, I have not tried basically, but I think even electronic circuits or maybe something you can definitely explore and let us know how it works. We are excited to hear it from you. And let's explore one of the last options called using Can AI. So that is designing the presentation. So you'll be amazed. So we generally take so much of time to design the PPTs, right? So this can actually design with a prompt. So let's create a prompt. So create uh, an 8 slide presentation on, let's say, a role of AI in civil engineering, right? You can also give more specific prompt, but yeah, okay, we will give one more um, sentence, or I'll continue for uh, undergraduate engineering students studying in, say, fourth semester. Okay, let's see. You can be more specific about the prompt also. Now, that is not the idea here. The idea here is to show it to you that how Canva can be used in our day-to-day teaching work. There are not hundred, probably thousands of such ways to create different contents using Canva. You can create lesson plans, quizzes, posters, videos, images, presentations, whatnot. There are a lot of such things available. I think now Canva gave us three such options, so we can just choose one, and let's say we'll take this presentation and see. Now it also says if you want to really use Canva editor, you can edit it, and you can modify the content of these presentations as well. So look at this now. This is the first page. Yeah, in civil engineering, transforming infrastructure, and what are the objectives and key applications, structural analysis. Now, thing is, this is like a PPT. Now you can modify these things. Like you can create bulleted points like this. You can using this. You can also change the font type to bold. You can change the color of the font. So all these operations, minimum editing, whatever operations are required, you can implement them on this, right? So all right. So now what you can do is you can download this also using, again, there are so many options. You can download as a PDF standard or PPTX. You can do all that. Or if you are very confident that your Wi-Fi is amazing, you can directly go with the present slideshow at presentations. You can, like, XYZ. Yeah, one last thing is you can also apply animations to all this. So the animate button is also there. You can in real time you can see what are the different animations possible, what is the impact of all of that, right? Okay, so that's all from our side today for the fourth day. Let's hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Please give the feedback in the LinkedIn or wherever this is posted, so that we will receive the feedback and try to improve upon, and we will also learn new things. uh, and we will come up with another interactive and interesting useful video for next session, that is fifth session. Okay, thank you very much. Happy Navratri to all of you once again. Thank you so much.